I got 99 problems but the cheese ain't one. Hello, it's Kko's channel, and today we're gonna make a 99 cheese pizza. The inspiration I got from the movie Ninja Turtles. You're gonna see it right here.
I submit to you
99 formaggio!
the 99 cheese pizza.
And also, since I live in Switzerland, I ask myself what Switzerland is famous for. And Switzerland is famous for the next things. And the most famous thing in Switzerland is the Swiss cheese. Now, I went to the shop, just a normal shop in Switzerland. Well, it's a big grocery store. This is the variety of cheeses they have. Therefore, for me, there wasn't any problem to get 99 different varieties of cheeses. Now, this is not only the Swiss cheese, it also has a French cheese. I think I also got some cheddar cheese. And this is not 99% of the cheese because there are also some creamy cheeses. I didn't want to put it on top because first of all, I need to clean some of the cheeses. And the total weight of the cheese is 3.5 kilos. 3.5 kilos of cheese is about I'll put the number of how many calories is here, and plus the pizza dough. Yeah, that's gonna be quite a calorie recipe, and I hope it's gonna be good because this is probably one of the most expensive recipes too. Cheese pizza is quite easy to make. This is all the ingredients you should have. Now let's clean the cheese. This is all the cheese we have, all the one that we have to clean. So let's start cleaning. So we'll try to put everything back. That. And now we need to cut it. So we get like 1 casserole of cheese. So we got the casserole like that. For the dough, if you don't know how to make the dough, please check this video out. I explain you 3 simple yet golden rules how to make dough. If you don't want to click on this video, I'll just show you a shortcut in this video how I make dough. How to make a perfect dough every time. Rule number 1, you have to mix 3 cups of flour per 1 cup of water. Rule number 2, you should always mix yeast with the sugar but not with the salt. Sugar will make yeast happy, salt will kill the yeast. And rule number 3, you should add a bit of oil in order to protect your dough. And in the end, you will have something like this. Now, this time for pizza, I used whole grain flour. And the difference between normal flour and whole grain flour, I also explain in the video right here. Why whole grain? Because I try to make at least something healthy about this pizza. In the end, we should have something like this. Now, as you can see, the color is not white, it's like a reddish color. And I propose you to roll some dough for some pizza. First thing first, you need to have a clear table. Let's sprinkle some dough on it. Let's take our rested dough and we're just gonna work it out a bit. Now we need to take a roller and we need to roll it a bit. Always start from the center. From here, there. From here, there. The sides. Almost perfect side. Let's put the sides. So, this is what we got. Put a bit of pizza sauce in the middle. Ah, look, this is art. Perfect. Ah, even better. We take tweezers and we start putting cheese on top. I also got this very creamy cheese. Just put it on top. And what pizza is without mozzarella? Sprinkle a bit of mozzarella. And if you think that this is it, this is not it. Because I also have some feta cheese. Let's not put too much. And let's finish it up with a bit of pecorino cheese. We use some egg wash for the sides, so they look brighter. And now we have to put it in the oven, 250 degrees. Let's take it. Up. And let's put it in the oven, middle section. Maximum amount of degrees. Let's say 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check it in 11 and then see. Take a look at that. Oh my god. I think I'm in heaven. Our pizza is ready. Now, two most important questions for me to answer. First of all, is it cheesy enough? Like, you know, like when you cut the slice and then you put it up, like, is it gonna be like all the cheesy, flexible and stuff? And second question, since it's a lot of blue cheese and creamy cheese, is it salty? Well, let's check it out. Let's just add a couple of stuff. How's that, huh? Shite. Okay, I have a problem. Let's cut a piece. Nice. Try this. Actually, in the end of the day, this pizza is not that salty. Tastes amazing. Funny enough, it has quite a balanced taste. Something I wouldn't expect. Time-wise, I spent 1.5 hours in a grocery store just for the cheese to be cut. Money-wise, it's about $100, €100 for a pizza like that, because cheese is quite expensive. Calorie-wise, it's I think around 3,000 to 4,000 calories, maybe even more. I had to calculate and check, and I'll show you the number here. Donatella or Ninja Turtle Stitcher would be actually proud of me. Well, thank you very much for watching me. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video and you want more videos like that, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, hit the dislike button. And I think the next video should be something about meat, because it's been a while I haven't been cooking meat. So thank you again. Thank you. Bye. Oh, this is falling down.